Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to change Google password. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, go to google.com or go to myaccount.google.com, this one right here. And then go to security settings. On the left side, you have to scroll down, or once you're logged in, look at the left hand menu and click on security. Now, in the security section, find the option password. So scroll down, sign into the Google section, and then you have to look for password. Of course, in order for you to change your Google account password or change Google password, you have to enter first your current password and tap on next. Now here you can change your password. You can set up a new password right here and make sure that this is a strong one. So enter your new password in your new password field. Re-enter it in the confirm new password field. Make sure it's strong, at least 8 characters, including uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Click change password. Your Google password will now be updated. If you use your account in multiple devices or apps, you'll need to sign in again with your new password. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.